Hello, my name is Jen and welcome to my video. If this is your first time to my channel, I do various clothing unboxing videos. Some of them are less well-known services and some of them are more well-known, like Stitch Fix. Everybody loves Stitch Fix. So if you are interested in seeing those types of videos, please hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a video. And hopefully you enjoy watching somebody spend way too much on clothes. Today I am opening up a Fashom box. Fashom is a relatively newer styling service. They are not a subscription, so you just request when you want a box. They are actually an app, so you download the app, you put in all your styling info, and then you request a box. And it seems like every time you request a box, you get a choice of a couple of stylists, or you just have them choose the stylist for you. I've always just had them choose a stylist for you because at this point I don't know any different. This is just my second box so far. My first box I really liked. I really liked what they picked out for me. Not everything fit, but I got a few pieces that I do wear and I really enjoy. Once you request a box on the app and you pick out a stylist, you can put in some specific requests, which I think I gave a whole bunch of, like, here's all the things I'm looking for. And then they say after 72 hours they should have all the styles picked out for you, though I think while they're getting started here, things are just taking longer than the app says they will take. So 72 plus maybe a few extra days, they send you, hey, here's all the styles that we've picked out for you, and then you choose what you want them to send to you. So if there's something on there that you're like, I hate this, I don't want it, you can just say, don't send that to me, and they'll just send everything else to you. I've always just had them send everything to me because you never know what something's like until you try it on, so why not try it all? If you don't like anything, I've seen other videos where they say you can actually just say, I don't want any of this, start over. I can actually consider doing that with this box, but there were a couple of pieces that I was interested in. And, you know, I can always request more boxes if I'm interested in trying out more styles. So after you select what you want them to send to you, then they take up to a couple weeks to ship that to you. Once they ship it, it gets there within a day or two. So the shipping is very fast, which I appreciate. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now it seems that people are typically getting sent about 8 items, so I know there is a lot in here. So bear with me, I'll try to go through things relatively quickly. Okay, first off, we have a note. It says, hi Jennifer, thanks for giving us a chance to style you again. Sorry about the delay. As we said in our email, it was nothing in our control. UPS had misplaced our inventory. So I did get an email saying that after I had selected what items to send me, when they were actually going to ship it, UPS apparently lost the box. So I had to wait an additional week for them to get in the pieces and then ship it out. They said we had to reorder a lot of inventory, and sorry we couldn't get the perforated ankle booties and petite cuffed pants, and Junior's ruffled tank is in pink, not ivory. So it sounds like I'm not going to have as many things in here as originally thought. So I'm missing a pair of pants and a pair of shoes, and a shirt is in a different color than I originally saw. You know, it is what it is. Again, if I want to try more things, I can order another box. So next steps, you go to that, after you figure out what you want, you go to the app and you check out. One of the things I really like about Fashom is if you buy 3 or more items, you get that 25% discount. I'm someone that I don't frequently buy a lot out of my boxes. I just buy a couple pieces, and so I frequently don't get those discounts. So being able to get a discount on 3 items is great. Now that I'm getting less than I expected, that might be a little bit more challenging, but we will see. Then they want us to get feedback. Then they gave us the mailer for sending everything back that you don't want to keep, and they want to share our post on the Fashom app and Instagram. So they do have on their app, it is a little bit of a social media app too, where you can post pictures and people can comment and like and things like that. And I post most every day kind of my outfit of the day because why not? It's fun. I will go over the prices of each item at the end. I'll say the total for the entire box is $330. Originally, I think it was $440 according to the app, but again, I'm getting fewer pieces. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got 2 bundles in here, so there's really nothing to look at here. The first is a pair of brown booties. I had asked for booties. I know that's totally off season, but still I've been looking for some because winter will come at some point. First impression is I like it. It's a little bit of a pointier toe than I wanted. I kind of like a rounded toe bootie, but we'll see. Maybe I'll love it once it's on me. First up, we have this ruffle tank top. This is the one that the app had originally shown as being white, and instead it's kind of a pinkish purplish. Has this ruffle around the collar and on the sleeve. It looks kind of small, so it might be a little bit more form-fitting, but it feels like good quality, super comfortable. This is by Tryon, made in Cambodia. So we'll see how that fits. Then we have this cardigan, just this brown drape cardigan. It does have pockets on it, which pockets are always a bonus. It feels, it's a pretty thick cardigan. On their app, I think they called it the lightweight cardigan, and then the description called it a heavyweight cardigan. So I'm gonna go with heavyweight cardigan on this. I wasn't sure what to expect. This is by Tryon. This is an extra small. I really like it. I have got some other brown cardigans, so I'm not sure how much I need this, but if I love it, you know, it'll probably stay. Next up, this is a cami. Oh, that's super see-through. That's super see-through. Cami and shorts set. Wow, also super see-through. So they're both very lightweight, and this goes together. This is by Artisan New York. Oh, this is sleepwear. Oh. Okay, well that makes a little bit more sense, first of all, as to why I was getting a short and top set, and then why it's so see-through, or why it's so lightweight. So it's cute. I don't know that I really need sleepwear because I just sleep in shorts and a tee or whatever. So we'll see. Next up is this cardigan, this button-up white cardigan, or it's ASOS. Looks small and tight. It has black buttons down the front, and I don't know, I'm just gonna call it okay. Has a kind of a slit here in the sleeve, which I do think that is cute. It's soft. I think my biggest thing about it is it seems really tiny. Like it's gonna be super tight on me. Okay. Next, we have this pencil skirt. So it's got kind of a, I don't even know what color to call this. It's too dark to be a blush. It's a brownish, pinkish color, and then it has this lace overlay with some flowers and greenery on it, and I just thought this was super cute on the app. This was one piece that I was just super excited to try. Get it looks a little bit small, so hopefully this will fit. Doesn't seem to have a lot of give to it, so we will see. This is by Endless Rose. It says made in China. So hopefully this will fit, but I think this is super cute, super different, very unique, and I love that. And then we have, oh, this is Vince Camuto. That's a nice brand, I believe. I've seen it in other videos. It's I'd say it's mixed between red and orange. Dress pants. They're kind of a wider leg. I think they're cropped based off of what I had seen on the app. So I'm disappointed because one of the pants I really interested in trying was a pair of white dress pants, which I do not have. But again, you know, I may be able to request that in my next box. Let's go ahead and try this on. Okay, for this, my first outfit, I have 3 of the pieces on. Let's start with the skirt. I love it, love it, love it. It's so special, it's so unique, but it is so tiny. I can't zip the whole thing up. It is just way too tight here, up here. Don't know if I could actually sit down in it. So I am going to email Fashom about seeing if I can get an exchange and I can size up, because I do love it. I think it's a fabulous skirt. The cardigan I actually like more on than I liked pulling out of the box. I just don't know if I like it enough to keep it. It might depend on the price. I don't know how much I would wear it. It's very soft and comfortable. I don't know that I like, I think I'm not loving the fact that it is ripped, maybe. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think on this. And then the ruffle tank is cute. It's just, I don't know that it's all that special. I mean, I would probably wear it a couple of times and it's comfortable. It's just okay. I mean, I like it, but it's okay. So let's try on some more clothes. For outfit number 2, I have 2 of the pieces on. First, I have this cardigan, which I actually really like. It fits really well. The sleeves are not too short, not too long. It's kind of form-fitting on the arm, which I like. And, you know, it's a nice thick cardigan. I do have one similar to this, but I don't love it because my other one is a bit just oversized and it's just kind of eh. So if the price is right on this, this is a keeper for me, actually. Now the pants. These are the Vince Camuto pants, and they're a nice pair of pants. I just don't know if it's style that is me, essentially. I have no other complaint other than I don't know if it's my style. So it's kind of a wider, it's tighter up here and then goes down to kind of a wider leg at the bottom, and is a cropped pant. And it's very different than anything else I have, and I don't know if I pull it off. I don't know. Again, I could use some help with this. I'm very conflicted on a lot of things here. So give me your thoughts on what you think of these. Now I'm going to try on the pajama set, but if it's super see-through, you will not see it. I will just recap it for you. Here is the sleepwear set, and it's super comfortable. I mean, on the comfort level, it's 10 out of 10, so I'll give them that. So it feels amazing. I just don't know that I need a sleepwear set. So I like it, I just don't need it. These booties, they are by Olivia Miller, and they are cute, feel like really good quality leather, but I don't really like the pointy toe on it. You can see that pointy toe here from the side. I just don't love these. Okay, let's go over prices now. So, the perforated ankle booties were a pair of black booties that they were not able to send. Those would have been $40. The side lace booties, these are $34, which is an amazing price, and I would be keeping if I just liked them more. The lace skirt is $46, so if I can size up in this will be a keeper for me. The petite cropped pants are $46. I'm leaning towards not keeping these because I just don't know that they're my style, but they're great quality. I have no complaints on these. A pair of pants that weren't sent were a pair of white petite cuff pants, and they were $130, so it's probably a blessing that it didn't get sent to me, because what if I had fallen in love with them and I didn't want to pay $130. I just didn't, but I still had them send it to me because I wanted to try it. So I'm fine with the fact that that didn't get sent to me. Okay, and then we have the pajama set, and this is $30. I will not be keeping this because I just don't need it. Again, no complaints on it. It's a great pajama set, super comfy. And then the ruffle tank here is $22. I don't think I'm going to be keeping it because it's just okay. And then this is called on here the lightweight cardigan sweater, even though it's more of a heavyweight. And this is $40, and I think this one's definitely a keeper for me. And then this white ribbed cardigan, it is $52. I was on the fence with it, and since it's $52, it's just, I'm not going to keep it. Okay, so I just did a little bit of math. With the skirt being $46 and the cardigan being $40, you don't get your discount if you only get 2 items. You need to get a 3rd item. So if I get the lace ruffle tank, which is $22, I actually lower my total cost from $86 to $81. If I am able to size up on the lace skirt, I will get all 3 items for a total of $81. So, if you are interested in trying Fashom, I have a link below to get you $10 off. For your first box, I highly recommend you search for Fashom videos here on YouTube and find people that Fashom had actually reached out to, because for the people that Fashom had reached out to, they have a 20% off code for your first box, which I took advantage of. It was awesome, saved some money. I highly recommend doing that. But you can do that using my link below. You just have to get a special code in for when you're actually checking out. Also wanted to mention, with my late shipping, because I had to wait an extra week on shipping, Fashom was gracious enough to give me a code to get me $10 off. So I guess if I get all 3 items, my total will be $71 instead of $81. Thank you, Fashom, for that code. I didn't mind waiting a little extra time. Hopefully you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more like this. I'm sure I will be doing another Fashom video sometime, and all the other boxes. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, thanks. Bye.